Dear students, in the last video we saw how to show root 2 on a number line. For that we drew a number line and we took 1 unit distance on this number line and 1 unit distance on this perpendicular ray. Then by Pythagoras theorem we found point Q, that is distance OQ, which shows the number square root of 2. Now we have to learn how to show square root of 3 on this number line. For that we will continue with this picture. So what we will do, we will draw perpendicular ray at this point Q. We will draw a perpendicular ray here with the help of this protractor. We will keep the center point here at point Q and draw a perpendicular ray. For that mark a point here. Now this is ray M, which is perpendicular at point Q. Now what we will do, we will again on this perpendicular ray M we will take distance which is equal to 1 unit. You can take this distance of 1 unit with the help of scale, like this, the help of scale at the distance of 1 unit, or with the help of compass. So distance which is equal to 1 unit. Yes, this previous distance is also of 1 unit. Again we will keep still point here at point Q and draw an arc. So this is the distance of 1 unit. Let's mark this point, intersection point, as point R. Now we will join segment OR. Now this triangle RQO is a right angled triangle. Now we will find hypotenuse OR in this right angled triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Therefore OR square equals to OQ square plus QR square. Therefore OR square we have to find OQ. What is distance OQ? This is root 2. This distance is equal to root 2. So root 2 square plus QR is 1 unit. So 1 square. Therefore OR square equals to root 2 square. Square root cancel out, that is 2, plus 1 square is 1. Therefore OR square equals to 3. And by taking square root on both sides, we will get OR equals to root 3. So this hypotenuse is equal to root 3. We have to show root 3 on the number line. So taking point O as a center, and radius equals to hypotenuse OR, will draw an arc. Will mark this point as point C. This point C shows the number root 3 on this number line. Now let me ask you one question. एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर मुझे बताओ कि when we have to show square root of 4, how will you show that? Square root of 4 आप कैसे दिखाओगे? तो आप बोलोगे सर हम वैसे ही करेंगे, हम will draw a perpendicular ray at point C, then we will again take 1 unit on that perpendicular ray, then we will join that segment and taking that distance as distance as radius, we will mark, we will draw an arc and we will get square root of 4. ये भी मेथड सही है बट उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है. नो नीड टू डू दैट बिकॉज square root of 4 equals to 2. Therefore we already know that number. square root of 4 ड्रॉ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हमें पहले से ही वो नंबर, हमें पॉइंट वो मालूम है, दैट इज़ 2. अब अगर हमें पॉइंट शो करना है, नंबर शो करना है स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5, तो फिर हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, फिर हमें ये जो 2 पॉइंट है, नंबर 2 है, यहाँ पे हमें विल ड्रॉ a perpendicular ray, will take distance equal to 1 unit on that perpendicular ray, will join that segment, and by taking that hypotenuse, taking that segment as radius, we will mark an arc, and that number, that intersection point will show the number square root of 5. In this way we can go on and on, हमें दूसरे नंबर भी मिल सकते हैं. Thank you.